Hey everyone, it's Rob with Passport to the Parks, and today I am back here at the Caribbean Beach Resort. It is Thursday, September 20th, and I'm going to do a construction update. It's been a little while since I've been here. Had a lot going on, but I am back here. They've done a ton. They've taken down a bunch of walls, and they are completely, almost near completion, so we're going to take a look. I'm standing in front of Old Port Royale. It's right behind me here. We'll try to wait for some other people to come on board, and we'll start taking a look. But a lot of exciting things going on here, and I've missed you guys, and hopefully we can do a nice walk through here today and answer a lot of questions, and we'll see what's going on. Now, I did post about a month ago that October 1st was going to be the most likely date that they were going to have the grand opening here, because it is the 30th anniversary of the Caribbean Beach, and it does still look like October 1st is going to be the first public day. I believe there's going to be a ribbon cutting ceremony. Sorry, it's a little loud here. A ribbon cutting ceremony on September the 30th, so I will definitely try to be here for that, so you guys can check that out with me. But October 1st should definitely be the first public day that we'll be able to see everything that's going on and all the beautiful changes that they made inside of Old Port Royale here. So it does look like we have some people starting to join us, so I'm going to go ahead and get the camera turned around. We'll take a quick look here. I'm just looking at bushes right now, but behind me all of the walls are down finally at Old Port Royale. The new entrance looks beautiful. They still are doing a lot of construction, a lot of cosmetic work around the front here. We'll take a walk around the back, see what we can see as far as the new restaurant look and everything. Now, Shutters, as we all know, has turned to Sebastian's. It is on the waterfront, so that'll be really cool to check out. And we'll take a walk around and see what's going on here. Beautiful day today. Sun is shining. Hardly any clouds in the sky. It is pretty hot, but you know, we're used to that, so let's take a walk. Definitely, guys, check out passporttotheparks.com. I do apologize, I haven't been able to post much lately, but I will definitely get back to that. I've had a lot of things going on with the family and some other stuff, but I will get back on board here and get these construction updates going. We'll start at the map here like I always do. And let's see, this is the old custom house, or the current custom house. This will be where the new custom house is, and this is Centertown. We're basically standing right here. This is all the new construction that's going on within Centertown. We'll try to get to the back here to see what's going on, but we're standing in front of it right now. As we would walk down, we would walk through Trinidad North, Trinidad South, where the Spyglass Grill is located. It's very good. Jamaica. This is where you're going to find most of your Skyliner towers, and up through Aruba. The Skyliner station is located over here, just a little bit south of Jamaica. The brand new entrance for the Caribbean Beach is constructed here at the tip of Jamaica. So if you haven't watched any of my past videos and you're curious, basically what's going to happen is the current entrance and the custom house will be closing, and it will become the new Riviera entrance. Then after that, the new entrance will be used for the Caribbean Beach. Hey Danielle, and hey Amy, thanks for joining. Danielle, you're gonna be staying here. Oh, sorry. Got a very loud bus behind us, sorry about that. Danielle, you're coming down in June of 2019. It's gonna be beautiful here. Everything will be set for you. But again, that's the new entrance over here. Jamaica and Aruba, we'll try to get around there, and then we'll see what's going on up by the Riviera as well with their Skyliner station. But right now, let's try to just do our walk around. We'll go take a look behind the Old Port Royale and see what's going on back there. If you guys are just joining, most of the construction walls are down. I did post about a month ago that October 1st was more than likely going to be the opening date, the grand opening date for everything here, and it is still looking that way. Public should be open on October 1st. Should be a ribbon cutting ceremony on the 30th, which we'll try to be here for that, so you guys can check that out. Hey Bob, you're welcome. Thanks for joining. You're welcome for the update. Sorry it's been so long, guys. Sometimes life does get in the way, but I love being here with you guys, and I missed it. And we'll definitely get back on track here with these. A lot of stuff still going on over at Coronado Springs as well. So we'll try to get there maybe tomorrow and see what's going on over there. Still do have some construction walls here. Hey Melanie, hi from Scotland. Wow, you're coming in September 2019. First in 22 years. That's going to be amazing. You guys are going to have a lovely trip. It's definitely going to be gorgeous here. Everything that they're doing is really gorgeous here. Hi Vicky, welcome. You're so welcome. I'm really happy to do these walk-arounds for you guys. Really enjoy doing them. Thanks for being here and watching. Hope you get to return soon. And everything is still pretty much the same here as far as the temporary shop setup and the temporary bar. This you can see in pretty much all the previous videos. None of this has really changed. Pool area. We'll take a walk around it here towards the back and see what's going on. We should be able to see a lot more of the Old Port Royale, Centertown area once we get around here. Hey Ryan, hills on the loose. Did I miss something back there? Oh, Hulks on the loose, got it. And of course there's the Don't Worry Be Happy music that they always play. It always gets stuck in my head. All right, definitely less construction walls back here, which is great. Hi Terry, thanks for joining. See what kind of access we can get back here. It looks like they might have some of the boardwalk open back here. We'll see. Hi guys. How you doing there? Good. Yep, still looks like we're closed off here. But that's all right. We only got about 10 days to go. We should be able to see it once we cross the lake over by Aruba. We'll get a nice view. But we can see the restaurant's definitely coming along. And again, it's turned from, sorry about that, hi guys.
Hi.
Turned from Shutters to Sebastian's now. Get a good look at the Skyliner tower across the lake there. Riviera still coming along really well. Still gorgeous back here. I'm gonna get a few of my pictures like I always do. Let's see, let me get back to some of my comments. Vicky, your son Louis has joined to watch your videos. Awesome, thank you so much. Hi Amy, thanks for joining. Hey David. Yes, the Riviera is a DVC resort. Coronado Springs, the new tower is not going to be DVC, but the Riviera is DVC. David, oh, you were here last week and these bushes weren't here and we could walk around. Well, maybe they're just trying to, maybe they're doing something on the exterior here and they don't want people back there just for safety. Hello. Hey everyone.
Hello, how are you?
It's looking beautiful back here. Yeah, they must have something going on with Cass back there. So we'll take a walk around, see what we can see from the other side. Little wider shot here. All right, onward we move. Let's see what kind of angle we can get from back here. A little bit. We'll take every little bit we can see today. Glad that they left the lighthouse. I always like the lighthouse there. Hi Holly, thanks for joining. Caribbean Beach is a resort you love to stay at. It's an incredibly large property. Yes, it definitely is one of the larger properties. But don't let it intimidate you, because it's really not that bad to walk around. You can, if you were to walk at a good pace, you could probably walk around the entire resort in probably 12 to 15 minutes. It doesn't take that long. I don't walk very fast, and I usually get around it pretty quickly. So I definitely love the resort. Grab some more pictures here. Hey Melanie, thank you. You have a great day as well. It's kind of nice standing in the shade over here. Start getting in that Florida sun. Gets a little rough. Definitely wore the hat today, keep the sun off my head. Got a little playground area back there. We'll head over the bridge and head towards Jamaica, and we'll see some of Aruba. Hey Caroline, oh, you're from the UK and you forgot what the Florida sun feels like. Well, it's bright and it's hot. Most definitely. But it's gorgeous. I mean, do you really get better views than this? Certainly feels like we're right in the middle of the Caribbean here. Of course, there's one of the main Skyliner towers right in the center of Jamaica. A couple more down that way. The Skyliner tower, or the Skyliner station for the Caribbean Beach, is located down there. And right down there is the Skyliner station for the Riviera. All right, Caroline, I can't wait for you guys to come back here as well. Do you have any kind of dates in mind? All the construction should be done October 1st. Should be the public opening for Centertown, Old Port Royale. Still not any cosmetic work being done with the Skyliner towers. You're coming next summer. That'll be perfect. Have a lot of stuff done by then. I'm really hoping that they do some more cosmetic stuff to these Skyliner towers. At least some landscaping around it. Fingers crossed that they might paint the towers to have more of that island whimsical feel through here, but not sure. They may not do that until after everything is up and running. Who knows? There's a nice shot of the roof area of the Riviera there. Definitely be a nice little lookout up there. Some beautiful views. Hi, Lindsay. Welcome. Hey, Terry. I agree. Let's paint them. Paint those towers. All right. Now we're coming on the backside of Centertown. You can see where Sebastian's looks like it's going to be there. Did talk to one of the cast members who got inside, said it was absolutely beautiful on the inside. Let's see, Lindsay, do we know if they're going to build more paths to the Skyliner station? We'll be in Trinidad South. It's kind of unsure about how the Skyliner station is going to work. It's kind of in an odd area. I don't know how they're going to access that because there's just a lot of heavy traffic. I don't know if they're going to build a bridgeway over there or if they're going to open up some more pathways. I would think that they would, because as of right now, there's no real safe way to get over there. There's no sidewalks. It's all just main road area, a lot of traffic, buses and everything coming through by the main entrance over there. So I would guess that they would have to make some sort of pedestrian traffic way over there, but we may not see that for quite a while. Hey Jamie, thanks for joining. Let's see, you're here last week at the resort. It's gorgeous. Cannot wait for everything to be completed. Definitely recommend it. I totally agree. I can't wait for everything here too. It's definitely going to be worth the wait. Like I said, October 1st will be the public opening. September 30th looks like they're going to do a ribbon cutting. So we will try to be here for that and share that with you guys. Hey Michaela, welcome. Gonna walk down here a little closer to the Skyliner station. Sorry, we'll have to walk down here and then do some backtracking. We'll get back towards the other station. But it's beautiful. Gotta love the views through here. Hey Holly, let's see, pools and bus stops. I believe each section, let's see, Aruba has a pool, Jamaica has a pool, Trinidad has a pool. I'm pretty sure, let me get out of this cart's way here. I'm pretty sure Martinique has a pool, but don't quote me on it. Then there's obviously the main pool, which is right over there. Bus stops, you're going to have one for each island. You'll have one at Martinique. You'll have Old Port Royale, Trinidad North, Trinidad South, which are both located across the lake. You have one at Jamaica and one at Aruba. So each island does have their own bus stop, and they mostly have pools as well. So you're not going to do a whole lot of walking for bus stops, pools, and there's even the little substations where you can get your drinks and little snacks and stuff. In each of the islands, they've converted rooms into little snack stations, so you don't have to walk all the way up to Centertown to get what you're looking for. Hopefully that answers your question. You're welcome. Get a couple pictures here. Let's see. Kevin was wondering where you had gone. Glad to see me back. Thank you so much. Let's see. November 19, you're going to be in the pirate themed water view room. The pirate rooms are located in Trinidad North, which again is the far end of the property there and across the lake. Trinidad is definitely my favorite islands, so you're going to be happy with that. Disney confirmed a date. You arrived there on October 15th. Yes, the date is 99.9% going to be October the 1st, which is their 30th anniversary. So it should all be open to the public. I believe they're going to do a ribbon cutting on September the 30th. So you should be just fine on October the 15th unless something drastic changes or happens. You'll definitely be fine on the 13th, or the 15th, I'm sorry. All right, let's keep moving on. Definitely when they get it open, I'll go through it all for you guys so you can see on the inside all the changes that they made. There's going to be shops and restaurants. There's going to be the new custom house in there. And from what I hear from the cast members, it's pretty nice on the inside. You're welcome, Michaela. You're welcome, Kevin. So much. See if we can get out of the way here. Got a lot of construction. Hello. Unfortunately, this is kind of what you have to deal with over in Aruba here. Since they are doing all the construction, they got the fencing up. But it's not too bad. Got a little opening in the fence here so we can get a nice shot inside here. Looking awesome. And again, that is the Skyliner station for the Riviera Hotel. It's located right between Aruba and the Riviera. So we'll try to pick up the pace a little bit and head back this way. That's a pretty shot there. Let me get that. The beautiful reflection on the water. It's a gorgeous area over there. Like I said, if you're just joining, I will let me get past these guys here first. Guys okay? Thanks. Anyways, if you're just joining, I will be doing some more updates as well. Not only here, we'll head over to Coronado Springs. Probably do that tomorrow. Definitely have to get a Skyliner update going. A ton of work they've been doing on the Skyliners all around. Most of the stations are up. They're looking amazing. You guys are going to be amazed at the station down here for Caribbean Beach. That thing is huge. It's definitely the biggest of all the stations. Another tower here for Aruba. Come on, Disney, paint these towers. Look how nice it would be if they were to paint them any of these tropical colors. Hello.
How are you, sir?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
It's hot today.
Camera.
Thank you so much.
This is Florida weather.
Amen. Love it. All right, once we get down past the bridge here, we'll be going through Jamaica. And then just after Jamaica, we'll see the Skyliner station. Kevin, yeah, I think we're on the same page here. I'm hoping that they blend the towers in. You know, even if they don't paint the towers, at least put some nice lush landscaping around it. You know, at least to hide the base of the towers. They could put some nice shrubbery, you know, some of those palm leaf trees. You know, you don't want to put trees, obviously, because they'll grow too tall, but they have these palm bushes and everything that they could do. We'll give it time, though. They'll come up with something. Too bad Caribbean Beach doesn't rent out golf carts like Fort Wilderness. Be pretty sweet to be tooling around here and doing this in a golf cart. I hope you guys still like the live format. I was getting some comments on YouTube about how long the videos usually take. But like I say, I like to give that actual feel of being here. I just don't like going around and filming for, you know, 30 seconds and putting together a 4-minute video just for clicks. You know, I like to come through and actually share the resort with you guys, what it's like to walk back and forth, you know, how long does it take to get from this point to this point, and it gives me a chance to answer your questions too, which is really what I want to try to do, because I know a lot of you guys are planning trips down here. So anything that I could do to answer you guys, I'm always willing to give the answers. If I don't know the answer, I'll definitely try to figure it out for you. Ask somebody so you can have a great trip when you come down. Or if you're like me too, and you just can't be here, and you just love looking at it, seeing how beautiful it is, that's fine too. Everyone who loves Disney is okay in my book, so you guys are all welcome. Hey Holly, thank you so much. You do love the live formats. I agree, the quick cut videos, they're fine. And you know, I love all the Disney bloggers and all that, but I really appreciate the live format, especially coming through for these construction updates. Because you're right, you get to answer these questions. Let's see, Nancy, Kevin, the longer the better. That's awesome, because trust me, it can take a little while. Nancy, have they put a full list of the restaurants, or where they'll be yet? That I'm not sure, but I will try to ask and figure out what that's going to be. Yeah, Holly, it's not too bad. There's a little bit of a breeze right now, at least. You probably hear it as I'm talking. So it's a little refreshing right now, but that sun could be murder down here. Hey Michaela, yeah, definitely go watch from the beginning. You'll see all of Centertown and all that. I'll post these on YouTube as well. Hi, what's that?
You on YouTube?
Yeah.
I watch you.
Really?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Rob.
Nice to meet you. I'm Becca.
Cool. Where are you from?
England.
Do you mind being? I'm live right now, so.
I don't mind.
Okay. You liking your stay so far?
Yes, good, thank you.
Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Cool. I'm doing a walk around right now, just doing, because they're going to open.
Just looking at the construction construction.
Yeah, they're going to open this on October the 1st. So,
Oh, okay. Oh, that's really soon.
how long are you here for?
2 weeks. We're just in a week, so got a
Will
week
you,
left.
will you still be here? No, you might just miss it
Just
then, right?
miss it, yeah, just miss it.
Okay. Well, still gorgeous.
Yeah, well, we've stayed here. I've stayed here. This is my 12th time.
Really?
So we've been here a lot.
Awesome. Well, enjoy. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for
No,
watching.
You're welcome.
Appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
There you go. That's always cool. I love to meet people too after they see the videos and they come down. That's a pretty cool thing. Let's see, Kathy, you're told the reservations for the soft opening will be September 30th, full opening October 1st. You're exactly right. It's definitely what I've been saying. October 1st is going to be the first full public day. September 30th is going to be a ribbon cutting. Hey Stuart, welcome, hello from the UK. Just talked to somebody from the UK back there. A lot of people come from the UK, that's awesome. I meet a lot of people from the UK. So we are walking past Jamaica. And someone asked earlier where the pirate rooms are. This is Trinidad North. And this is where your pirate themed rooms are going to be. It is beautiful over there. Private beach, private pool. Trinidad North. And you're pretty close to Centertown. You're within just walking distance of Centertown. And you also have over the bridge Trinidad South, which has, again, its own private pool. And the Spyglass Grill, which is extremely delicious. I love eating there. Check out, I did a food review there a while back. You can find that on YouTube, or just go to passporttotheparks.com. You can find it there as well. If you guys haven't followed me yet on YouTube, I do post videos there. It's Passport to the Parks at YouTube. But oh, our little baby snake. We got these little black snakes all over Florida. If you do see these guys, they are harmless. Don't worry about them. They're more afraid of you than we are of them. So normally if you don't mess with the wildlife here, they won't mess with you. But sometimes these little guys get all over the place, so don't freak out when you see one. And if you ever do have any problems, don't hesitate. You can always call the front desk, and they'll send somebody down to to assist with that. All right, here we go. Here is the Caribbean Beach, the Skyliner station. This thing is amazing. Look how big this thing is. So again, if you're not familiar, the Skyliner station comes from Pop Century and Art of Animation, which is down the lane here. Comes up into this station, which is Caribbean Beach. You can continue on down these towers here that we saw going through Caribbean Beach down to the Riviera, and then from the Riviera you would head over to Epcot. Or you could do a transfer here, and you could take it across Victory and right into the parking lot of Hollywood Studios. So that's what they're doing with all of the Skyliner. We'll head down here. And somebody asked before as well about if they're going to build walkways or how we're going to have access to the Skyliner station. You can see it's sort of an odd location. Again, this is where I'm standing. This is Jamaica. There's no sidewalks on either side of the road. The sidewalk just sort of dies here coming through. So as I walk towards the Skyliner station, this is all just grass, which I absolutely do not recommend. Disney, of course, wouldn't want you doing this. But we'll just head down this way just to see. So I don't know if they're going to build more walkways this way, if they're going to build sidewalks over here, if they're going to build maybe a bridge from Trinidad South over somehow to access. But that's kind of up in the air right now. Obviously they had a plan in mind, you know, they needed a space and this was a perfect spot to build the station. But trying to access it is definitely going to be another story. Now it does look like we have something here. This might answer some of our question. I'll try to get around here. Looks like they do have this all staked off. Now this could mean anything, but this could be maybe a walkway being cut in. Some different walkways. Actually, it definitely looks like that's probably what it is. Looks like it's drawn out. They'll probably dig this out and create some walkway paths. So you'll be able to get back here, and this will probably cross over in this area. You have the gate there, and it looks like a pathway that'll go back there. Let's see, Kevin, would you need to get off here, then go on to Hollywood? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking is going to happen, because there's, if you look, there's, you're coming in from Pop and Art of Animation on this side, and Riviera from this side, and then there's a center area that goes the opposite direction. So you're most likely just going to have to get off. Let me let these cars go by. You'll have to get off, and you probably have to re-enter another vehicle and go across to Hollywood Studios. So the main reason I'm walking down here is just to see this entrance. Try to stay off the road here. I'm trying to stay in the grass so we'll stay safe. Make sure nobody's coming behind me. And we'll get back here where it's a little more safe. Again, you see how all this area is just all parking lot area. You have the entrances, the exits. There is the new entrance, like I said, is right by Jamaica here. This will start getting used as a main entrance, and the other one will become the Riviera entrance. Let me get up on the sidewalk here. Okay, so there's the rest of the station. I mean, look at the size of this thing. So this is interesting, because this is all the system itself. This is where the Skyliners will come in and out, and the rest of this is just all buildings. So this is going to house what else, I'm not sure. If it's just going to be one massive station, if there's going to be anything else in here, if there's going to be any sort of a hub or a check-in area. But you can see the towers coming out the back here. This would head over to Hollywood Studios, and then these towers, you know, would come in and out of Riviera and so on, and get some pictures. Whew, I found the sunniest spot in all of Florida right here, I think. Let's see, Kevin, the whole family is watching, so exciting. 433 days to go. That's awesome. I hope you guys have an amazing trip. So I'm actually going to cut a little bit through Jamaica here. I'm not going to go back out onto the street. Hey Jenny, you're welcome for the updates. Just curious, which resorts am I most excited about once everything is complete? For me personally, Coronado Springs, definitely. Caribbean Beach is really great. I think Centertown is going to be gorgeous, and the Skyliner stuff is all cool. But for me, my money is definitely on Coronado Springs. The tower, I think, is going to be just gorgeous. The views, the fireworks views are going to be amazing. The restaurant that's in the center of the lake, I think, is fantastic. The boardwalks that's going to go out there, when everything is lit up at night, I think it's just going to be outstanding. So definitely Coronado Springs. I love them both. I love Jamaica, or I love Trinidad here, and I love the Spyglass Grill. I love walking around here. But Coronado Springs, I think, is going to definitely raise itself up a whole nother notch once that is done. So here's that little walkway. So yeah, it looks like, see, this is going to be expanded, be able to walk around here. They're probably going to expand it to the walkway that just dead ends over there, and then it kind of curves around, and it's probably going to go right into that gated area there, so you'll be able to have access. Now, whether or not they'll build a bridge from Trinidad South, we'll see, but you'll probably have to come up to the main bridge area here. They'll probably build a walkway on the other side as well. It's a great question, Jenny. Thanks for asking. I love Coronado. All the resorts have some really great cast members, but definitely Coronado Springs, I think, even has a step up with the cast members as well. They're always very welcoming. They're always trying to do, everything they can for their guests, especially during the construction. When I talk to them over there, they want to try to give as much information as they can to make the trips more enjoyable for the guests. As far as having, the accurate dates and everything that's going on, Coronado is great. Caribbean is doing a great job too. I just think there's less going on here, unless you consider the Riviera part of the Caribbean, which, we kind of do because it's right there. But it really is its own kind of separate entity. Kevin, will they keep Coronado as a convention center? Yes. Convention center is the main reason Coronado Springs does what they do. The convention center is thousands of square feet, always has things going on, and in fact that's pretty much the main reason they built the tower, is because they had so many people coming in, and especially a lot of higher clientele, CEOs and things coming in for these conventions. They wanted to have more of a high class area, so the tower is going to be higher end suites, concierge levels, club levels, those kind of things. So that's definitely going to help the convention center there. I don't want to get too much in the Coronado because we'll do an update over there, but the rooms at the Coronado are going to stay the same. They're all updated. It will stay at a moderate level, and then the tower is going to be considered a little more of a deluxe, just because of the size of the room, size of the suites, and just the amenities you're going to get. All right, guys, I think as far as construction goes, that's going to be about what we have. Please definitely join me. I'm definitely going to try to be here on September the 30th for the ribbon cutting. See what kind of access we'll be able to get. Let me turn you around here. Okay, let's see. Holly, you're curious to know what is my absolute favorite resort? Well, that's hard. Polynesian always had a soft spot in my heart. They redid the lobby at the Polynesian. It used to have the big fountain and everything in there, so kind of went down a little bit for me when they redid that. I still love it, but the nostalgic fountain and everything I really loved at the Polynesian. I love the atmosphere there. But I would say probably Wilderness Lodge, I think, is just amazing. Just the grandness of the whole hotel, the lobby. It immerses you in that whole wilderness theme. It's beautiful, all the fountains, the waterfalls, the geyser, the pool is amazing, restaurants are amazing. So yeah, I think Wilderness Lodge would definitely be up there. Kevin, yeah, definitely go back and watch everything. You'll see more of Old Port Royale in the beginning. I'll post this on YouTube. If you don't catch it here on Facebook, post everything on YouTube as well. We're definitely going to try to get over to Coronado tomorrow. But like I was saying, September 30th should be the ribbon cutting, and I'll try to be here for that. And October 1st should be the first public entrance. So If we can't get everything on the 30th, we'll come back on the 1st and see what we can get there. So again, thank you guys so much for joining. Please check everything out at passporttotheparks.com. I'm sorry I haven't updated much lately. Had a lot of stuff personally in life going on, but we're getting back on track. We're going to get these construction updates going, and I can't wait to start sharing this stuff with you guys again. Check out YouTube, passporttotheparks.com. You can find everything on the website as far as social media, whatever you guys want to follow with. I always appreciate it. If you are planning a trip down here, definitely always check out my friends at Living with the Magic Vacations. You can find them at livingwiththemagic.com. They will help you plan an amazing vacation down here anywhere you want to go. They're really great people. They have really great deals. So definitely check them out. Holly, you're very welcome. Thanks for being here. You'll be there September 30th. So you have to come by for the soft opening. Awesome. Well, I hope I see you here. If you see me, please come up and say hi. I always love saying hi to people. So awesome. Thanks, Vicky. Thanks for being here. All right, guys, I'm going to take off now. We'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Charlie, thanks for being here. You missed it, but definitely go back and check it out. It'll be on Facebook here momentarily, and I'll put it on YouTube a little bit later once I get it downloaded. So awesome stuff. Old Port Royale, all that stuff, you'll be able to see kind of what's going on. Charlie, you're just tuning in. September 30th, soft opening here, ribbon cutting, and October 1st is the main public opening for Centertown over there. So, all right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.